Alright, today we're going to bring an Orbi gun, and this is a purple edition. If you guys can see, the actual manual is included. Orbi, assorted Orbis, along with the actual battery that requires USB to charge the battery, USB type A. The actual Orbis need to be in water 3 to 4 hours prior to using them so they could expand. Make sure you have a container large enough to contain them. Safety glasses, always useful to use them when you're playing with Orbis. You don't want to get shot in the eye, all right? And then the actual cartridge here, which is shaped as a grenade. And then the actual Orbi gun itself here. The actual Orbi gun here, included with assorted items. This is a rail gun holder here. You put on the rail, it's a holder to hold on the gun here. And then a little laser finder here, it goes on the side of it. Now, this one requires battery, and batteries included here. They give you an actual entrance for the battery. Now, the best thing I like about the little gun, this that there's a shoulder mount. You could expand it, and you could make it larger, increase it, decrease it. Now, to set up the batteries, it's included in here. If you guys can see this part, you enclose it in there. And there is an off and on button here in the front of it to shoot off and on. And then, very simple, just go out there and play with the kids. So we're going to give this to a couple older kids to play with it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Oh man, they were all stuck in that little hole right there. And I was like,